everyone. I hope you like this video I made. It's about the way to carry your Leatherman.
Two different ways to carry our Leatherman. First, you do get your Leatherman Wave. Leatherman Wave Plus is the example I have today, and it may be different for different ones, for different Leathermans, because of their configuration. I have this Leatherman case that came with the Wave Plus, heavy duty nylon with a big fat snap. Leatherman made in USA. Leatherman case made in China. Now this case has a durable nylon body, and it has elastic here on the side. It has some elastic which will eventually lose its tightness, but it comes and it is snug. That's not going to fall off. It has a big nice fat snap right there, and it goes to your belt. Beautiful, right? Great. It looks nice. And this is how I used to carry my Leatherman. Right on my belt, very comfortable, very easy. And it'll be easier as it goes along. The longer you have this case, the easier it is for this to be pulled out. For this Leatherman to pull out of it. Okay, we have another option. This is the other option. You can get this on the website. This is a clip, stainless steel, which you attach to your Leatherman. You open your Leatherman to the side where you have the bits, the screwdriver bit, and you press down. You press down on the locking mechanism to unlock, and that's where you're gonna install this clip. It's a very strong clip, low profile, and you just stick it in there. Okay. As you're pressing down on that locking mechanism, you click it in, you release, and now it's locked in there. So it's not going to fall out. It's going to be hard for this. This is not going to fall out at all. And now you have a nice clip here. This is on the Leatherman Wave. I'm not sure if all the Leathermans have this ability. If you want to remove it and you want to go back to your old ways, you press down and then you just clip this up. It falls right out. See, there's a little notch here. There's a little space right here for that. And I'm not sure which other models have it. I just know the Wave does, and the Wave Plus. So this is my preferred way of carrying it. Push down on the locking mechanism, press down until it clicks, and you're good to go. There we are. And that's how the two ways that I know of carrying your Leatherman. Well, I hope you like that instruction. Any questions, comment below. Thank you. And have a good one.